recording in 4K 30 frames per second. So, source of IR behind the shield, just backlighting behind that, and we've got an illuminator. The camera also at the side as shown in the product gallery. So if we dip the lights, take a look around the room. The illuminator is quite powerful. You can see it's spotting there. Diffuser, we can fit a diffuser to the illuminator. If you like a short range illuminator, it just gets rid of that spot effect. As you can see, the image is very clear. It picks up a great deal of detail too in 4K. So when you flip the lights back on, this is LED lighting, so you actually get almost true to life colours, whereas with some full spectrum cameras you get a little bit of off colour. Obviously you'll get that under incandescent lighting, but as I suggest, that's the same with all full spectrum recorders. Any questions, please use the contact form, just get in touch at infraready.co.uk.